All eyes will be on you, my darling. You have gone through the worst. You have experienced major upheaval, major trials and tribulations and betrayals that you are walking away from. And through walking away from these experiences, you've learned a lot of lessons. You've learned things about yourself that has even shocked you. But one thing that stood out about the lesson that you have learned is your true strength. You had to purge, you had to dig deep, you had to overcome some of the most traumatic experiences that most people could never survive. And still, you chose not to harden your heart. You chose to heal. You chose to pour into yourself. You chose to love yourself. And yes, it's an ongoing journey because sometimes you have down days. And during those down days, you work through getting back up again. You work through your confusion. When things don't seem balanced, you work on balancing out yourself. You shut off from others who have chosen to disturb your peace or who you don't feel aligned to anymore. And some people may feel left out in the cold by you. And some of these individuals who feel left out in the cold by you may have left you out in the cold once upon a time, especially when you were going through your healing, when you needed that support, when you were experiencing the most excruciating pain that one should even have to endure. And now you're stepping into a new cycle of peace, of happiness. You've realized that the only person that can bring you the life that you desire is you. No longer were you looking outwardly for people to save you. You became your own savior. You became your own hero. And people are looking up to you in admiration. How did they do it? You see, when you were in that isolation period, when you were left alone, you were never alone. Spirit was with you. Always with you. And it gave you a chance to really connect to self, to connect to spirit. And you may have wondered, why is this happening to me? And Spirit showed you why. Spirit wanted you to understand how powerful you truly were. Spirit wanted you to go inwards and do the inner work and to trust in Spirit. Because just like a butterfly, before it emerges, it goes into a cocoon. So you were in your cocoon state, working through your fears, your triggers, your traumas, working through your betrayals, the abandonment, the rejection, the confusion, and re-emerging victoriously. Now these individuals who left you out in the cold, they are trying to unsee how powerful you have become. Some of them, unfortunately, I'm hearing some of you say fortunately, stop it. Some of them are going through what you went through, if not worse. Some of them want to seek your counsel to ask, how did you overcome what you went through? You see, it was a test. They were supposed to aid you through the cycle that you were going through in the past. But they chose not to. You see, we all have free will. They chose to take a different path. Some of them felt like it will be too burdensome for them to take on your traumas, to be around you where you were going through the worst. They felt like it would affect their life. They shut you out. They lived their own life, pretending that your situation didn't exist. Some straight out rejected you and told you no, unfortunately. Some felt like this was their opportunity to shine, knowing that you were experiencing some really hard times. These same people, they want to reach out, but pride won't let them. They want to unsee your transformation, but they're forced to witness it. Some of them want to actually come back and reconnect with you, but they're being blocked. Spirit's blocking them. For others of you, I feel like some of these individuals are slowly trying to build themselves back up again. Trying to play catch up. Trying to take shortcuts, but they are being met with stagnation because there was no shortcut to your healing when it came to your situation. You went within. You done the inner work. You're still doing the inner work. These individuals, nah. Some of them are infuriated by your growth. You keep investing in yourself, and the more you invest in you, the more healing you will do. You're now recreating a brand new life for yourself. You're now connecting with like-minded souls. You are going to connect with your true soul tribe. You're leaving situations and people in the past. They no longer concern you. All eyes will be on you because you will stand victorious. You're walking towards your destiny. And some of these individuals chose not to help you because they foresaw your destiny, and they felt like if they aided you, helped you, supported you, then you would lead a life that would be prosperous, abundant. And due to selfish means and due to them feeling as if, for some of you, they're better than you, how dare you go towards success? What about me? So they chose not to support you. They didn't realize it was all a test. And they are going to hear or see your success. You're going to be celebrated. Some of you are going to get married. For some of you, you ended a very turbulent relationship or very, I'm hearing disastrous or tragic end came to a particular relationship in your life. Or some of you left the place, or, you know, something really traumatic happened. And you may have felt that you were finished, emotionally destroyed within. not knowing how you were going to pick up the pieces. But like I said, Spirit was with you. Spirit was always with you. You were never alone. Spirit heard your pleas, your prayers, your cries. And you are now starting to see the truth about the power that resides within you. And these individuals are starting to see and fear your power, because they feel like, how can someone go through what they went through and come back even stronger? They're fearing what you're going to do. They're going to witness you being in a position of power. They're going to witness you running your own business or businesses. Again, some of you are going to get married. You're going to become a husband, or you're going to become a wife. Again, I'm hearing how do they do it? How do they pick themselves up after what they went through? They're going to witness you being even more beautiful than you are now, inwardly and outwardly, shocked by your glow, wanting you to be downtrodden, wanting you to forget about yourself. They're going to be gasping about your transformation. Your transformation in your outer appearance, your financial appearance, your health, your stability with self. You're going to witness it all. All eyes will be on you. Eyes of admiration, eyes of guilt, eyes of envy. And meanwhile, they fixate and look and wonder about shoulda, woulda, couldas. You're still going to be invested in yourself. Spirit wanted it to be this way. They had a choice. They're going to witness these same people that turned their back on you. They're going to witness you building your legacy and them not being a part of it when they had an opportunity to stand side by side with you during your most darkest times. All eyes will be on you. You're going to shine brighter than ever, shedding the skin of what was weighing you down, including these individuals. These could be family, these could be friends, ex-partner. Please take what resonates. You were a bright spark all along. They were instrumental in trying to dim your light, whether they were a part of your pain in the past or not. They were instrumental with trying to hold you down, trying to break you even more when you were already broken. And they're going to witness your comeback.